Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the euro yen I still think is extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think we're in a wave 4 right now, and eventually it will go back up and take out the highs for a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think that this right here is the A. I think this is an A, B, C of B, which technically we're not at a Fibonacci level yet, so this potentially could keep going up. Eventually, I think it will turn down and make a C, which should be an A, B, C of 4. Keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, and this is definitely going to take months to play out. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we do not have a Fibonacci bounce, so there definitely is a chance that this goes up and makes a new high, maybe grabbing these fib levels before it really does turn down. Which really, it doesn't even have to turn down at the 61%. I just think that's a likely area because of this drop-based drop over here, and this is the 123, 138% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave B, which I think is a likely target for a wave C. So, anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely still up and it could possibly keep going. To me, it definitely looks impulsive down like it could be an A or possibly a 1. It totally looks corrective up like it could be a wave B or possible wave 3, wave 2, that is. So it does seem likely like it will make a move to the downside for either a C, which would look like this and turn back up, or possibly a 3, which would likely go down and break structure, proving that this bigger wave C on the daily time frame is complete. Now, if it does go down and break structure, I definitely will start looking for sells at the end of every single pullback I see from that point on. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks very impulsive. It looks very corrective. It does seem to me like it is going to make a move down. And if it makes a move down to a Fibonacci retracement level and then turns back up in a big way, that definitely would be a long opportunity for me. On the other hand, if it makes a move down, maybe bounces from fib levels but doesn't break structure and eventually goes down and breaks this 4 hour to 8 hour time frame structure level, that's what's going to turn me into a seller overall. So, as usual, definitely pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, pay attention to your structure, and you should be trading in the right direction. So, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.